Well, it flies around in circles, doesn't it? Well, all right, folks. My little mini biplane is going to get another flight. Let's hope this one goes okay. Look at that, straight as a die. No problem, that's about half throttle. Two-thirds, three-quarters. Will it loop? No, not quite. Still climbs rather a lot. Let's climb. I'm going to come back over here with some height. Climbs too much. Whoa, it does loop. It won't loop under its own steam though. Two-thirds throttle is just about right with it. Right, I'm going to bring it round for a nice soft landing in the scrub. Just like that. That guy that was up here flying for a while said the light had gone bad, and it has, because I could barely see it then. So I think we'll call it a day. Doesn't she fly well? I think it still needs a little bit more down thrust or something, because it's still climbing rather too readily, but I think we call that a great success today up here. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this, why not check out some of the stuff including the build blog for my mini little biplane. You can buy these for about £3 or £4, so two of those, £6, receiver, two servos, a little cheap motor and a speed controller, and you've got a nice little plane. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you all later. Bye for now.